am not a nail artist. I don't know what I am doing. What is up? What is good, guys? It's your girl Kid, and I'm back today with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be doing something. For those who don't know, I don't like going to get my nails done, and I do not like wearing acrylic nails in general. I just don't like that they are so unhealthy for your nails. So I try to find alternative ways to do my nails without having to use acrylic. But it's become very hard. So today I'm going to be trying to do my nails without using the acrylic that came in the nail set that I bought. So without too much more talking, I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do these nails, and I bring you guys along with me. So let's go. So y'all don't really need to see me, but you need to be able to see my nails. We got a little surface here that we're gonna be working with. The kit I'm gonna be using is the very basic nail kit that you can get at Walmart, Target, literally anywhere. The Kiss nail kit that comes with the acrylic and the can't think of what this stuff is called. So like I said, I normally try and do my nails in a ton of different ways. So I have a lot of tip options. Honestly, I got these from the dollar store. They were only $1 and they came with I don't even know how many, but these are really good that big for the dollar store. So don't sleep. Get your nail stuff in the dollar store if you don't want to spend big bucks on it. So I got some of these, and then I also got the nails that it came with. So as a disclaimer, I am not a nail artist. I don't know what I am doing. So take what I say and tread lightly, and just, if you do this yourself, just know, like, I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm messing. So if you listen to me, that's on you because you decided to listen to me. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the nail file that came in the kit and take the pink side, then this is called the buffer, and just smooth out the nail. So we have buffed them out good enough, and now we're going to pick out the tips that we're going to use. And we're going to pick out the ones that fit our nails. I hope y'all can see me good. Like, that's a lot better. We're supposed to pick out the ones that work. Boom, we got the one for the thumb. The one for here. That thumb. Boom. Pointer finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. And now we need one for the pinky. That was really easy. I'm only gonna do the left hand on camera because I suck at doing the right, and if I paint them, I ain't trying to embarrass myself too much, because like when I say I cannot paint my nails, I cannot paint my nails. Starting with the pinky, I want to put the pinky on first and then wait to my thumb. So now the nails are all done, they're all put on, they look all nice, and so like I said, the nails are all done, they're looking really good. Now all that's left is to file them and all that stuff. So my idea is to take a file, but what I want to do is take it and file the tip to match the base of my nail, because I don't know if you can see on camera, but these tips are not that thick and it shouldn't take much for them to file down to match my actual nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and file those down now, and hopefully it works, because I really don't want to have to use the acrylic because I really don't like acrylic. Okay, so it didn't work. Yeah, I've been sitting here filing for a while, so my idea didn't work, and I already have them glued on my hand, so I might as well mess with the acrylic, right? So we're gonna try to use as little as possible, and I have another idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we literally about to try it right now. So the first thing I want to do, let's move these, is we're gonna not take the acrylic from the cuticle and bring it up here. We're just gonna put it literally right here and smooth it out as flat as possible, just to make sure that it's an even base. I don't want the acrylic all over my nail because I do not want it to fuck my nails up. This is all about preserving the nail the best way we can with the tools that we have. So let's go ahead and start. We dip it in there, brush that off, we dip it, boom, and there. I got too much, and we're gonna put it literally right here on the base, and we're gonna try to smooth that out as good as we can, because I don't want this shit all on my nail. Like, I really don't. You're gonna use as little as possible. If y'all can see that, it's still wet right now, so you can see like the line between my dry nail and right there where I put it. But once it dries, I think it's actually gonna work. Y'all, I think it worked. I think it worked. I think it worked. So now that I know it works, we're about to go on and just do the rest of them because, girl. Okay. So we got them on. I'm about to close up all this stuff so that I don't pass out because shit isn't strong. When they're drying and when they're completely dry, you take the end of this and you tap it on the nail and it makes this hollow sound to let you know that it's completely dry. But I'm not sure if it's gonna do the same thing since I only use a teeny amount of it. While they're drying, I'm gonna go and I'm going to pick out the colors that I want and figure out how long I want them. I think they're pretty much done. That nice hollow high pitch sound, that means they are dry. I'm waiting for this one to dry a little more before I go in and mess it up again. But this is what the rest of them look like, all nice and smooth. Like, yes. Now we're gonna go in with the smoothing side and just smooth it out so that I can paint them and there not be any little bubbles, any just little things sticking up underneath the nail. They're done. I'm gonna go in with the nail clippers and we're just gonna clip them down. So I'm gonna start and just clip these down to a length that is reasonable, which is maybe about here. That feels good. It's not too long, but not too short. So it looks long. That's actually pretty good to me. I don't want too perfect of a square shape. Oh, that came out actually a lot shorter than I was anticipating it would. Okay, and that looks good. It came out a lot shorter than I wanted it to. It's literally the same length as my regular nail, just a little bit longer. But honestly, I'm kind of over it. So we're just gonna go with that. So we're gonna go in with the clear. Just put a clear coat on the first layer. And we're gonna let that dry. Look how smooth it is. I'm kind of scared to paint it. I think I want my nails to go orange, white, orange, white. But I want some to have some decoration on them if I'm feeling a little fancy. So we're gonna take the orange and put the orange on this middle nail right here. I'm not the best at painting them. I'm gonna try my best to make it look decent. Hopefully, because they're not so long, I can do a better job. But if I can't, then oh well. Okay, I'm not even gonna toot my own horn or nothing, but look at how good that paint came out. I know it's bleeding right there a little bit, but other than that, who do I think I am? I'm excited now. Let's go ahead and cut and shape some more of these nails, and I'll be back to y'all when they're all cut and shaped in so we can paint them together because I'm excited. They look so bad like this, but I promise they're gonna look better once they're all painted. They all this one's a little crazy looking in the shape wise, but they're gonna look better once they finish. So let's go ahead and put some top coats on them. They're dry, y'all, and they're looking pretty decent. And now I told y'all how I wanted to paint them, when I wanted it to be orange, white, orange, white. I think that's what it was. I think it looks cute. I don't want too much white because for some reason white nail polish always comes out streaky. I don't know if it's the nail polish that I be buying that is like streaky like that, but I can never paint good when it comes to white nail polish. So we're gonna try. I want this one to be white and this one to be white and these three to be orange. Okay, let's move in with some white and I hope it comes out decent. It's doing what it always does. Comes out streaky as hell. Look at that! Okay. I thought it was gonna come out terrible, but that shit looks good. I'm gonna come back when most of them are done drying so I can put the second coat on them. But so far, it's looking really decent. I'm thoroughly impressed with myself. So while giving them time to dry, I've gotten very tired. So I'm ready for this process to be over. So right now we're about to go back in and put on another coat, and then we have to dry again, and then put on the final top coat, and we're going to be done because I'm tired of doing my damn nails. They look pretty good, except for this is the one that I messed up earlier when putting the acrylic on, and you can see it, but I think I might just put like a little design right there to tie it all together because I'm tired of my nails and I just want to lay down and like eat and watch TV. This is what they look like. They're very messy, but I'm going to come back at the very end when they're dry with top coat with the designs and everything on them, so you can see the final result of what the nails are going to look like. Okay, so y'all, there's stuff everywhere because I've been working on my nails still, but I am officially done with this hand. It looks pretty okay. I kind of want to fix this nail because it did not come out the way it was supposed to, but all in all, they actually came out really nice. So I'm going to show you guys the final result, which is this. I did some polka dots on this one. I just left those orange, that, and then I did those. So they actually came out looking pretty decent. I'm not too upset with this. This looks pretty nice. I might have some more pictures and videos so you guys can see a little bit better. Yeah, the guys, they didn't come out that bad. I'm actually thoroughly impressed with myself. This one looks horrible, and that's okay, but because the rest look pretty good. That's my nails underneath. They're not too long. That is it. That is all that I have for you guys today. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you got something from this, that you enjoyed it, that you try it and let me know how it works for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff if you want to. If you don't, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So peace out, guys.